Welcome back to Bike Head. Today we're diving into the bold, powerful, and attention-grabbing 2026 Honda Goldwing F6B Trike, a machine that blends luxury touring comfort with aggressive custom trike styling. If you love long-distance rides but want extra stability and road presence, this might be the ultimate three-wheel touring beast of 2026. Design, low, wide, and dominant. The 2026 Honda Goldwing F6B Trike carries a muscular and low-slung stance. Unlike the traditional Goldwing look, the F6B version strips down some of the bulk and adds a sportier, more aggressive character. The wide rear dual-wheel setup gives it a planted, confident appearance, while the sculpted front fairing and sharp LED lighting maintain that premium Honda DNA. The rear trunk and integrated storage are seamlessly blended into the trike body, giving it a clean yet commanding touring profile. Chrome accents, blacked-out trims, and custom-wool designs make this trike stand out in any crowd. Engine and performance, smooth six-cylinder power. At the heart of the 2026 Goldwing F6B Trike sits Honda's legendary 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine. This horizontally opposed six-cylinder powerhouse delivers incredibly smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or Honda's advanced 7-speed DCT automatic transmission, offering riders the choice between traditional control and smooth automatic touring comfort. Despite its size, the trike feels surprisingly balanced thanks to its low center of gravity. The added rear wheels enhance stability during cornering and eliminate the need to balance at stops, making it perfect for riders who want confidence without sacrificing performance. Comfort, long-distance luxury. Comfort is where the 2026 Honda Goldwing F6B Trike truly shines. The plush, wide seat offers excellent lumbar support for both rider and passenger. Heated grips, heated seats, and adjustable wind prop.